Why the car have starting issues even after the engine cranking. Nothing is more frustrating than the car that will not start after trying a lot. Most of the time when you turn the key in the ignition, nothing will happen. In this situation, the engine of your car will crank but does not start. If you let it go for too long, then it creates a more serious problem with the engine. Go through the points to know the causes behind engine cranks but won't start. Faulty sensor. Modern cars have sensors for transmitting information to the engine such as camshaft position sensor, crankshaft position sensor. If any of the sensors has failed, then the engine of the car unable to start. Failed security system. Modern cars have a sophisticated security system to secure them efficiently. Error in the security system can prevent the ignition system from working properly. Issues in fuel. People have starting issues in the car when they don't have enough fuel in the gas tank. Issues can be attributed when you are not refilling the gas tank or using the wrong fuel. Bad starter motor. If the car has a bad starter motor, it will unable to generate the necessary amps to turn on the ignition system. Fuel injectors. In this case, the engine will crank but produce a lot of strange noises from the engine. Problems in battery. If you notice the engine cranks too slow, it might have a battery problem such as the battery is low on power, corrosion on the battery terminal. Whenever you notice these issues, the engine is cranking that does not start. Conclusion. When you notice any of these signs in the car, consult with a mechanic immediately. Mechanic will first diagnose the issues and take the necessary steps to prevent it. Thank you.